Wow! Bulalo. Why? Sige. Sige.
Kala ko tinola.
Hindi. Bulalo yan. Look at that. See? That's the bone marrow. This is the beef. Of course, with the bok choy. At may kasama pang roasted garlic. Sarap. Look at that. I-garnish natin ng roasted garlic. Yan. So, tara na. Tikman na natin. Ang ating masarap na lunch. Okay, now I'll serve for my Sammy. You want the bone marrow, mahal?
No, thank you.
Alright. I'll look for the beef. Yes. Ooh la la. Sarap nito. Kung nandito lang kayo, you cannot explain the taste bud. Yeah. At napakalambot ng aking beef.
Yay!
Yes. Yan, malambot yan. Pwede niyong squeeze ng lemon. Tapos, garnish it again with the roasted garlic. Ayan. So, tara na. Kain na tayo. Ako ay magsasandok na ng kanin. Mukhang mapaparami tayo ng kanin nito. Sira diet natin dito. Pag masarap lagi ang ulam. Ayan. So, of course,